what's going on, guys? Today we gonna play Hello Neighbor game, and now it's time to start the first method to begin to unlock the twins. But first of all, just your two methods to start it. First, go to the neighbor house and make sure you climb up the ladder. Play hide and seek with the neighbor like what you did on the hide and seek kids. Just get up and get down. Close the energy. We don't need before get close by. Throw the boss away, that's all. And then pass the door. And get those balls. Put the box wherever. Break the neighbor comes. And then press right here. And here's our day which we are searching for. Now it's time to remove the chair off and throw it away to the cracked chair. Now open the door and we will begin to start the train. Now you can free walk on the sky train, walk on little train, or you can free walk on this little train. Now you can free walk on the little train, and this can begin to the other side, and there you are, train making the barriers. Now here's our train start, guys, but the train can't ride. Oh! Here's our list of the other neighbor homes. So guys, this is how you start the train. In next video we will start soon. Bye.